Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute. It's Sunday, the 16th of November. Wind advisories are up for much of New Jersey, areas up northwest of the Catskills and across Pennsylvania down into Maryland and Delaware. It wouldn't shock me if we wind up seeing additional wind advisories being put up for the Hudson Valley, northeastern New Jersey, and then east across Long Island and into Connecticut, because we are going to be seeing the pressure gradient here tighten once the weather front moves through. And this is what the surface map looks like this morning. We have a low sitting north of Vermont. This was as of 4 a.m. I believe it was 4 a.m. Let's see. Yes, it's just going to check to see if there's an update yet. No. The front is pretty much through now. The warm front has moved up into eastern New England, and you can see to the west of that low that the isobars are there, and they're going to start to tighten up as that low pressure center continues to intensify as it moves through New England and eventually heads over into Atlantic Canada. So start looking for gusty winds. The wind machine goes on, probably seeing gusts of 40 miles an hour or so. Some places a little higher, some places a little lower. And we are going to generally see improvement today in terms of sky condition. We'll have sunshine and some clouds as well. The lake effect snow machine is going to turn on as well too. And we can see here on the radar as of 8:20 a.m. Eastern time, some leftover showers offshore and in parts of upstate New York. And then, of course, as the colder air begins to come in play, we'll see snow up in western New York and in northwestern Pennsylvania. Temperatures today are generally will be in the 50s, and then will be chilling down into the 30s, maybe even a few 20s in some of the cold spots. You can see the European model here with a 980 low near Bangor, Maine, and moving northeastward into New Brunswick. The gradient is going to stay tight into Monday before it relaxes some as we get into Tuesday and high pressure builds in. However, we have a couple of disturbances moving in the flow across the south. There'll be an area of showers late Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning. I think most of that will pass by south of New York City, although it might make it up into the southern half of New Jersey. And then later this week, as temperatures warm a bit, we could see a chance for some showers Thursday night as the front to the north approaches, a weak one, and then a storm system that'll probably bring in some shower activity and maybe even a few rumbles of thunder with a stronger cold front over the weekend. The Joe and Joe Weather Show is back tonight at 7:35 p.m. on YouTube. So by all means, please join us.